how to ride, I'ma teach you how to shut your mouth, show you how to lie, I'ma teach you how to get the dough, second to the sky, I'ma give you all the game, nigga, all you gotta do is stay alive, ride low, stick to the basics, I make Krispy Kreme out of the cake mix, yes.
Ooh.
You niggas know God bless me, I got the game first hand from Messi, so don't test me, don't get slick, it'll be blood everywhere, like I'm on some banging shit, tell me who you with, what, tell me what you riding for, GDAU motivation, this is survival, first thing you gotta do is cock back your rifle, second thing you gotta do, ride on your rivals, have money, and have heart, never rap, don't be a squeal, stay solid, gotta keep shit real. Use your mind, don't work with your feelings. No, cause killers do the killing, but murderers spend the rest of their life rotting in prison. I ain't gonna do no, I'm gonna come back to this. Look, I'm getting money now, that means more options. So every day I'm at a new mall shopping. That means more clothes to fill up my closet. But I gave the cars to fill my garages. The boy, you can't get no higher. You think you fresh as me? You a liar. I'm from Frisco, where the East get chewed up. The town's fogged out, shit chopped and screwed up. I get right where tip be. And fuck with niggas right where flip be. So don't tip me, the shit'll pop off. Click like gutter, my head get knocked off. Hey, niggas better cook they own. I just dropped the soft off. I keep a hood bitch that get my rocks off. And she's a better too, she'll get the rocks off. And I can teach you how to live. Hello. The boy, young broad daylight, definitely in the flesh, man. Holla at the kid. You know how we living.
Okay.
In the building, NASCAR, got your NASCAR, we really moving NASA fast, you feel me? I'm really on my UK money, man. I don't swag, I swank, nigga.
Ooh,
one money, man. Straight Ferraris, man. European shit, man. Off the floor, man. Still broke project, though, man. Ground up, man. You feel me? I jumped out like, what's happening? Niggas talk a good one, but they ain't about that action. Cause I switch on the nigga, cock back, squeeze, double click on the nigga. Hey, cause you know how I live. The life I live is not positive. I will knock a nigga down, put his dick in the dirt, then smoke that bitch right in her mini skirt. It's realer, it's triller. I am not bossy. Show you how I do, bitch. I'm so bossy. Tell all them hoes in the club to get off me. If a nigga disrespect me, then he better off me. Because I bossy. Keep me a thing, and I do it how I do every motherfucking day. Yes, like gang. Only that two speeds, and I throw it up. That second letter is the beat. I'm so fly that you should call me Angel. I'm so fly that you should call me Angel. I'm so fly that you should call me Angel. You say you a banger, so I let my banger thank you. Okay, now I'm back in the mix without 94.9 or 106. I'm still standing on the corner, serving that shit. I'm sending them hoes, twerking them tricks. Want European money? I'm taking them trips. I will do you chopping style. No crew would get flipped. My middle finger up. Why y'all suck dick? I jumped out, parachuting, throwing out my paper. Only nigga in the mob who ain't on paper. Shooting, hit you up with the cater. I'm more realer than a click Al-Qaeda. 100-round drum, I leave a nigga body numb. That's a 223. I can show you where I'm from, cause I be in HP with a 2 up. Skies and down the ways with me so we can roll now. Hey, I'm so glad that you should call me Angel. You should call me Angel. I'm so glad that you should call me Angel. You say you a banger, so I let my banger back.